I'm almost inside the beach, guys. Oh wow! Oh wow! See this, guys. And now I'm leaving back to Chennai. I think I'll be reaching by 11 o'clock max. Chennai is exactly 100 kilometers from here. So time is right now sharp 10:56. So 11 o'clock I'm reaching home. So guys, finally we have reached this beautiful Pondicherry Auroville beach. Wow, what a sight this is. Sunrise, that's a beautiful location to be. Wow, amazing guys. I'm just enjoying. Oh, look at that waves, you know. I'm just enjoying this view. I'm almost inside the beach, guys. Oh, what more do I need? You know, reach this beautiful place. Look at where I am. In the middle of the beach. Both sides water. Wow, amazing. So yeah guys, I'm here at the Auroville beach in Pondicherry. It's such a beautiful location. I've been to Pondicherry n number of times, guys, but I've never been to this location. I actually just saw this board called Auroville beach and I just took this left here. It's a new exploration. So if you guys visit Pondicherry, definitely do check out this beautiful beach, Auroville beach. It's about less than 5 kilometers from the checkpost. So definitely do come and check out. Just right opposite the sun. Oh wow! Oh wow! See this, guys. And my beast is there. So beautiful. So yeah, one hell of an experience. A good way to start amidst all this coronavirus pandemic and the second wave. Such a bliss to be here. You know, today is making me go crazy. I have no words, you know, seriously. See, I'm so close to the beach here. I don't know how many of you can see. Wow! The sound, the wave sound, you know, water sound, the nature, nothing can beat its beauty, seriously. So guys, I'm done here. Spent some good quality time with the nature, with this amazing beach and the beautiful sun. So I'll be leaving from here right now. Hope you guys all enjoyed the view and the beach as well. If yes, hit the like button and also let me know in the comment section as to what do you think about this beautiful location. And if you have been here, let me know your experiences as well. Let's go. I'm leaving this amazing location with a very heavy heart. I have no heart to leave this location, but unfortunately we have to be back to Chennai. So let's go. Actually the road is not very difficult to ride as well, guys, and not very far from the main road as well. I'll show you guys the route while going back. It's just a little bit of off-roading, yes, but for this beautiful view we can definitely take that. So good that I came to the spot. Actually it was just a random exploration site. Yeah, this is the route. Not even 500 meters from the main road. So we are almost here at the main road. See, do you see the main road there? That's all. We've reached the main road. Okay, I'll take my road back to Chennai and I'll see you guys. So guys, I'm done. I just came to my friend's place here, had a good home breakfast, and now I'm leaving back to Chennai. I think I'll be reaching by 11 o'clock max. Shouldn't be a delay than that. Wow, see what a beautiful sight this is, no? Wow. See, there are boats there. I think this is the backwaters that's joining with the sea. That's the sea. So, looks beautiful. Okay, I'll continue once I get into the highway. I've taken the highway. Time is right now 9:30. So I have about 120 kilometers to Chennai. Actually, I'm taking the other route. I'm not coming via the East Coast Road. So this is the Tirchi Highway, the NH45. So this directly leads me to this Porur bypass, which is very close to my house. So I thought I'll take this route because I don't want to go back in the same route. I just filled fuel as well. So everything is set. I don't have to take any breaks in between. I'll be directly going to my home. It's going to be 4-lane highways, guys. 9:30, so probably by 11 as expected I'll be reaching in home. We have joined the NH45. It's a pure 4-lane highway. So Chengalpet is about 65 kilometers, wherein from Chengalpet another 50 kilometers. So it's totally about 110-115 kilometers. While riding I cannot feel the heat, guys. It's very nice. But once I stop anywhere, no, even for fuel I stopped some time back and it started sweating so much. No, whatever we travel in car, nothing like a pleasure of riding a bike, guys. Seriously. Although it's in the hot sun, the happiness that we have inside while riding a bike, no, is unmatchable. We are near this Dindivanam Vasanta Bhavan. These roads are very, very familiar for me. Actually, this is more familiar than the East Coast Road because I've gone here so many number of times more than the ECR. This road I've traveled both in car and bike, guys. A lot. Chennai is exactly 100 kilometers from here. Hope you all are enjoying the ride. So I'll continue the vlog once I reach Chengalpet, which is about 60 kilometers from here. So see you guys there in Chengalpet. Guys, we have reached Chengalpet, just 5 or 6 kilometers. The time is about I think it's 10:15. By 11 I'll be reaching home. It was a very smooth ride, no? If any of you guys felt that it was a very smooth ride, let me know in the comment sections. I'm just falling in love with this bike on every single ride, guys. One of the best ever machines from Royal Enfield, I would say. Such a beautiful machine. Royal Enfield, you guys can even try segments of 800, 900 and 1000 cc's, guys. We can't be more proud if you guys come up with those. An Indian made super bike. This is a semi super bike. Of course it's a 650. 6th gear, I'm just cruising through 100 with ease, with a lot of ease. And if I suddenly wanted some power, just twist the throttle a bit and the bike throws out power from nowhere. and the low end torque is another plus point. See, I haven't shifted gears, I haven't done anything. I just twisted the throttle a bit. See the power, no? Amazing. Oh man, give me some gap please. Yeah, thank you. What a cruising bike. There's another R15 here. You know that the people who ride R15s and RCs for long rides, no, you guys have got to steel spinal cord, man. Ample power this has got. What a bike. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. A lot more interesting bike rides coming up. Just bear with me until this COVID shit gets out of us. I don't know how long it's going to take, but it'll definitely leave us someday. And from then on, we'll have a lot of rides, a lot of long rides. I want to explore a lot of places with you guys. So share with your friends, all the bike lovers. Wow, what a beautiful view. A bright day. See this fellow, no mask, no helmet, nothing. People like him only cause this COVID spread. Okay, I think we've almost reached the Chengalpet toll. Yeah, toll booth is just 1 kilometer from here. I actually planned it to be a coffee ride, but it ended up to be a breakfast ride. Thanks to my friend, a home breakfast. I don't know, these guys are stopping some bikes, maybe for masks or I don't know for what. Human rights education, Gudvancheri. Finally, we have reached my home. So hope you all enjoyed the ride. We are back safe and sound. Suddenly it started raining, guys, when I was coming in this bypass between Tambaram and Porur. Drizzling, I should say, not raining. But so yeah, guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this breakfast ride to Pondicherry. So time is right now sharp 10:56. So 11 o'clock I'm reaching home. Until next time, guys, see you in the next video.